What's the meaning of bullfight? Bullfight. Bullfight.
Bullfight. Bullfight. Bullfight is a traditional Spanish spectacle in which one or more bulls are fought and usually killed by a matador in an arena. The result of a bullfight is typically the death of the bull, which is seen as a triumph for the matador and a popular form of entertainment for some spectators. However, many animal welfare advocates and organizations consider bullfighting to be cruel and inhumane, as it involves the intentional infliction of pain and suffering on the bull. In recent years, there has been growing opposition to bullfighting, with some countries banning the practice altogether.